Your vehicle offers an additional layer of protection with forward, side, and reverse parking collision avoidance assist. Using the ultrasonic sensors inside the front, side, and rear bumpers, as well as the surrounding cameras, this feature will help warn the driver if any pedestrians or objects are detected within a certain distance of the vehicle while moving at low speeds in drive or reverse. If necessary, the system may assist in braking to help avoid a collision. Remember, it's always the driver's responsibility to be aware of their surroundings and operate the vehicle with safety. If you want to temporarily disable the assisted braking, press and hold the parking safety button to turn it off. Press and hold it again to turn it back on. Quick tip: warning volume and active functions can be personalized in the parking safety and warning methods sections in your vehicle setup menus. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.